Hi guys, short video here about this LEEPEE X3 cordless air duster. Yeah, air duster, definitely a huge understatement for this turbo jet fan. But is it really so good? So let's find out. I mean, I have already a lot of experience with such jet blowers. I have already tested around 10 of them, very small, medium, large. And some were a huge disappointment and some surprised me really a lot. So let's find out how this is compared to some other ones. So regarding the size, it's really nice. And what's also really nice is these attachments. By the way, this is not a sponsored review. I paid full price. So I'm making this honest video here. What's already really nice is these magnetic tips here in two different sizes, but they do not fit on the intake side, so we cannot use them to deflate something. That doesn't work, only on the exhaust side. But we have two nice sizes. I love when we have some smaller sizes here, so we can even inflate some stuff. What I'm also going to do in this video is to compare it also to this VOTTAN jet blower, which is my favorite. Of course, we have to be aware of there's a little bit of a difference in size, but I think it's just the battery. Everything else on top here, the actual real jet device, has pretty much exactly the same size. There's no difference to see. I would say even exactly the same size here on top. So it should be possible to have pretty much same speed here with this one. But let's go back to the LEEPEE X3. So you get this instructions manual in about 20 different languages, and it's very easy to use. What I like here is that it works like a standard, like 90% of all the other jet blowers. So we have an instant function where we just push here this trigger and then it goes automatically into the highest speed, and we can then release it and it will stop. So I do that here. Okay, and it was also not too loud. I mean, we have quite some power. And it's still not unbearable. Let's do this with this smaller nozzle. Yeah, that's a little bit louder, but still okay, I would say. But we also have the permanent function where we press 2 times and then it will stay on as long as the battery lasts, and we can change the speed just with a short press in 3 different levels. So I do that here. And with a long press, we can turn it off. This is exactly how also 90% of the other fans are working. It's a small, lightweight one. You can take it almost everywhere. You can even keep one in your glove box for a little bit of cleaning in your car to push out leaves, dirt, dust. So till now, everything really good, powerful. Don't have to show everything. What I'm doing now here is my normal standard test to see if we can inflate a balloon. Yeah, it doesn't work. And now let's compare it to the VOTTAN jet blower. Okay, you saw the difference. Yeah, I mean, this thing is nice. It's small, lightweight, rather budget option. I like it somehow, but it's nothing compared to the absolute sheer power of this VOTTAN blower, which is in a total different league. But of course, both of them have their usage, I would say. We just have to know what to use them for. And so I would say that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. And you can buy them directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.